We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and detailed overview of the Bluetooth Beanie Hat headphones by Fulllight Tech. This product has become a popular choice for those looking to combine warmth and wireless audio in one wearable accessory. If you own this item, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Fulllight Tech Bluetooth Beanie Hat headphones are designed to merge comfort, style, and technology seamlessly. This beanie is not just an ordinary winter hat. It integrates Bluetooth headphones directly into the knit fabric, allowing users to listen to music, podcasts, or take calls without the hassle of wires or separate headphones. The hat is made from soft, warm, and breathable knit material, providing excellent insulation against cold weather while maintaining comfort for extended wear. One of the standout features of this beanie is its wireless Bluetooth connectivity. Users report that pairing the hat with smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices is straightforward and quick. The connection is stable, with minimal dropouts or stuttering during use. This reliability makes it suitable for outdoor activities such as running, cycling, walking, or even casual wear around the house. The sound quality of the integrated speakers is frequently praised. While it does not rival high-end headphones, the audio is clear, loud enough to enjoy even in windy conditions, and balanced for casual listening. The speakers are positioned over the ears inside the hat, providing a comfortable fit that keeps the sound directed without blocking all ambient noise. This feature is particularly important for safety during outdoor use, allowing users to remain aware of their surroundings. Comfort is another key advantage. The beanie fits snugly on most head sizes, with a soft fabric that feels pleasant against the skin. Some users with larger heads mention a slightly tight fit, but the majority find it comfortable for hours of wear. The absence of wires eliminates tangling issues, and the lightweight design ensures the hat does not feel bulky or heavy. The built-in controls on the side of the beanie allow users to manage music playback and calls easily. Volume adjustment, track skipping, and call answering are all accessible without removing gloves or exposing hands to cold. This convenience is highly valued during winter months when quick access to controls is essential. Battery life is solid, with the internal rechargeable lithium polymer battery providing up to 5 hours of continuous playback. Charging is done via a standard USB cable included with the product, and a full charge takes approximately 1.5 to 2 hours. Users report that the battery reliably lasts through daily commutes, workouts, or outdoor activities. The beanie is also washable, provided the Bluetooth module and speakers are removed before washing. This feature ensures hygiene and helps maintain the hat's appearance and functionality over time. The knit fabric holds up well to regular use and washing, although some users note that the fit may slightly change after multiple washes. Versatility is a major selling point. This Bluetooth beanie is suitable for a wide range of activities, from exercising outdoors to casual daily wear. It is especially popular among teenagers and young adults who prefer the convenience of wireless audio without the discomfort of earbuds. Parents appreciate it as a gift for children who dislike inserting earbuds or tend to lose small devices. Despite its many strengths, the product has some drawbacks. Some models lack a built-in microphone, limiting the ability to make hands-free calls or participate in voice chats without using the phone's microphone. This can be inconvenient for users who rely heavily on phone calls. Additionally, the fixed position of the speakers inside the hat may not perfectly align with all ear shapes or sizes, occasionally affecting comfort or sound quality. The sound quality, while good for casual use, does not match that of dedicated headphones or earbuds. The audio lacks deep bass and the richness found in higher-end devices, making it less suitable for audiophiles or critical music listeners. Also, the control buttons can be difficult to locate by touch, especially when wearing gloves, and the tactile feedback could be improved. In terms of durability, the knit material and embedded speakers generally hold up well, but some users report issues with the speakers failing after a few weeks or months. This inconsistency suggests that while many receive a reliable product, others may experience shorter lifespans. The manufacturer's customer service appears responsive, sometimes offering refunds or replacements when problems arise. Overall, the Fulllight Tech Bluetooth Beanie Hat headphones offer excellent value for their price. They combine warmth, comfort, and wireless convenience in a stylish package, making them an ideal winter accessory and tech gift. The product is highly rated by thousands of users, reflecting widespread satisfaction with its performance and usability. It is particularly recommended for those who dislike earbuds, want to keep their ears warm, and enjoy hands-free audio on the go. If you have this Bluetooth beanie, please share your experience in the comments to help others. Your feedback is invaluable for those considering this unique tech gift. Remember, the product link is in the description, and purchasing through it supports the channel. This Bluetooth beanie is a smart choice for anyone seeking a practical and fun way to stay connected and warm during colder months.